I've already welded in the main floor pans in the General Lee. So now there was a bit of a gap above where the floor pan meets the firewall. So now I'm fixing to weld
the
it.
weld in this patch that I made up here in the floor. I'm just going to weld across here a few tacks. And let's see how it works. I wish I had a bit of a cleaner surface, but oh well.
I'm just tacking in a few spots right at the moment, and then I'm going to go back and fill them in.
Yeah, don't look.
Now it takes a while to weld, but look at how fast I can go here when I really try. I'm just kidding. Obviously I've sped this up here to bypass some of the boring repetitiveness of this. But with every patch that I put in, the floor, well, the car is getting closer to being finished. After this is done, I still will have to do a little bit of welding under the hood, a little bit of final patching there, and then I can paint under the hood and put the engine back in it. That's coming up in a future video, hopefully soon. And I'm getting close to being done this part, except for the right edge where I've got to bend it, but at least it's in.
Now that's all solid.
I just got to do a little bit more welding on the corner, on the edge too, on the right side.